Hey, Kumar, big exciting news with KAPPA Data Services. I want to give you a chance to introduce what Komprise has announced and why you're so excited about it.
Komprise AI preparation and process automation. Okay, big name, but it's big because the possibilities are really, really big as well. Now, as you know, as a part of the smart data workflow, we've announced PII and PHI so that you can find sensitive data and work with the security teams. We have ingestion so that we can work with the AI teams to feed the right data to AI, right? What does KAPPA functions do? It actually allows you to write custom code just in a few lines to do something that's critical. Say, for example, you want to be able to look at, a DICOM for only the chest body part. Okay, now you got crap loads of DICOM, and maybe you've got multiple types of machines that generate that. Now, how do you create connectors to each and every one, to GE, to Philips, and things like that? It's brittle. It takes a lot of effort. With us, you don't have to do any of that stuff. Just a few lines, maybe from Pi DICOM, get a few lines. Hey, just extract the body part from DICOM and tag it into the Komprise metadata base. 15 lines of code, okay? And that's it. You're done. We will take that code and we will go through all your DICOM files, automatically bring that in, run that processing, find the ones with chest, for example, stick it into the metadata base, and now you can curate that and figure out all the ones that DICOM that have chest body part information and go feed some clinical data needs or some AI solution and so forth with just 15 lines of code. And here's the best part. We bring in all the files, right? And then we automate it inside each of these things. Maybe there's 20 threads doing that. And we have multiple units of 20 units. And I got 400 things running simultaneously. So we can do millions of files, billions of files really, really quickly. That's what's really cool about KAPPA functions. The possibilities are unlimited.
So that's amazing. You're saying instead of having to write connectors to all these different applications and systems, organizations are able to bring, their own expertise, bring some of their custom coding, for example, to the Komprise platform.
Yes, exactly. And you know what? A lot of our partners and our customers have expertise of their own, right? So they can build those things. They can use some of the stuff that we already have. It's basically, think of it as a big library, and they can add to that library, right? And bring in just the things that they need. And they can do some pre-processing. And here's the actual custom code that I need from you guys, and some post-processing to shut things down. We put all that stuff down, and boom, we run it all. All the other stuff, 99% of the effort done by the Komprise KAPPA platform.
So just the last question, what would you say organizations don't realize when they first hear about Komprise? They think of Komprise for tiering, for migration, and managing massive workloads of unstructured data at scale. This is a little different. There seems like a lot of new use cases that this is opening up.
Yeah, people think of it that way, but from the heart of Komprise is our metadata base, right? When we look at data, we analyze it, we can get file system metadata, we can use KAPPA functions to enrich and extract all kinds of other metadata. All of that goes into our metadata base. So once you have that metadata base, you can make it do all kinds of things. So yes, you can use it to do tiering and reduce 70% of storage costs, but you can also use that to find information about your DICOM in minutes as opposed to months, and then be able to have really, really super, I would say, optimized AI processing. So that's why it's not surprising to us. Might be surprising to our customers, but you got to think about what we can do because of our metadata base.
Fantastic. All right. Well, congrats on the news, and we look forward to our next conversation.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Darren.
Thanks, Kumar.